out, guys. If you missed out, y'all know, everybody keeps on asking, where's this marsh at? Where's this marsh at? Well, you know, it's a secret. And if you missed it today, there's always gonna be next time. The reason why I really wanted to go today is because we got a lot of rain and high tide came early, is coming early now. When I was trying to go to the marsh last time, it was like 3, 4 o'clock when the high tide was coming. So everywhere was deep at the marsh right now, unless you ran over some grass, and I'm not gonna say who ran over grass. My tail end ran over the grass also on some very, very narrow areas, but it was all worth it. Having a lot of fun. Now we're trying to decide if we're gonna go to where the cruise ships are because it is pretty choppy out there. So look at this guy. What is it, Captain Morgan over there? All right, guys. Hope y'all enjoy your day and see y'all next time. I love cruises, guys, and I can't wait till they come back. You see, Carnival Cruise Line is back in our port in Galveston. We want to welcome them back because they help out with the economy, and plus, I love cruises. So, and I missed y'all. I missed y'all so much. If y'all ever can get the Galveston area, there's quite a bit of stuff you can see. You could even see the pirate ship right there. He says they're dolphins. I think he's lying to me. I think he's lying to me. There's dolphins over here. No. No. I still don't see it. Yep. Oh, okay, I do see it. I guess I saw it. I should have been like, no, I don't see it. Hey, but there's usually dolphins in this area. Have you ridden out here? Not on a jet ski. Oh, okay, yeah, usually. Oh yeah, they're right there. Dolphins. Dolphin sighting. Ship, the sunken concrete ship. I mean, guys, who needs the Bahamas when you have this in Galveston? So we're taking these guys here if they've never seen it before. It's always a sight to see every time we come. It is a great picture moment. So get all your pictures you can and maybe jump off the top. But know how deep it is below it first.
That thing, miss, can I sing? That thing, miss, and I better sing. That thing, yeah, da-da-da-da. Jody and Rebecca, woman,
here's a nice Marina Bar and Grill, and it looks like they have some good docking around here. Now this is a good place to go to hopefully we're allowed to dock over here, but for a restaurant if you're in the cruise ship channel area. So hopefully we're allowed to park here. That'll be great if we are.
I'm waiting for the day of Grate, just so I can take it out. Unsweet. I need okay, sure.
All right, y'all. So we just finished up right here at this restaurant. It is called Marina Bar and Grill, and it was good. Their burger was delicious. It had crawfish, shrimp, and ground beef in it. This guy right here. So if you're ever in the Galveston area, come check them out. They even have good docking. That's a main thing. Usually when you have jet skis and boats, you just want to make sure you have some legit docking. All right, let's go. Back at the ramp at the boat launch, and we're in the no wake zone, so this is the perfect time for me to talk to you guys. Make sure if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button down below, and if you have any questions or anything, make sure you type down in the comment section, and most importantly, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And we're still doing the giveaway. That giveaway is I believe we're almost at the 500, or we are at the 500. I have to double check, but it's right here. It'll be on this link or right here, one of those places. All you got to do is click on that link, go over there and like that video and comment in that video. And congratulations, Jessica Saltz. She won the Babinski chair. All I did was pick somebody in the comment section. I'm telling you, y'all can win free stuff at any time. So until next time, see y'all on the water.